Hi guys, today I'm discussing about that how to increasing for YouTube channel subscribers. First of all, major mistake everyone creating a YouTube channel as a beginner or an expert. Everyone major mistake is called some option will be given in the YouTube channel option. So first of all, I'm discussing about that how we can upload the video on YouTube channel. Any video upload on YouTube channel, these are the parameters are very important. Upload unlisted mode. We can use in proper title. Out of 100, best will be 60 characters. Some people exceed up to 100 also. So that is not indexing the Google or YouTube, it will index. And important guys, this is who will be start the beginner YouTubers, who will be struggle the subscribers. This is the purpose of making this video. You are very expert, you are very famous for the YouTuber. You already know about complete option. This is not worth for the two candidates. Celebrities automatically get the YouTube subscriber and views. The based on the celebrity levels. You are the beginner. The most important is called content is more powerful in your YouTube channel. People like your content. Compulsory they will click for subscribe option. Compulsory they will be do it. Any channel. So in my channel, I can making for educational video. Some people do the subscribe, some people will be do the unsubscribers. Major thing is called when people like your video will be subscribed. But when you do this unsubscribe purpose, first we have think why you can do the unsubscribe. Let me explain your issues on the YouTubers. So they no idea, they can give the some option will be give some comment. We can do some mistake and do the unsubscribe your particular channel. So everyone to making a video purpose to explore their talent, their options, their ideas into the YouTubers. In this purpose, the people making a YouTube channel to your uploading videos to know knowledge from the share for everyone. So guys, everyone before subscribing after unsubscriber, please do some guidelines to the particular YouTubers. The effort to make the videos. So that is the purpose. You have to make the videos from the YouTubers. When unsubscribe, what is the purpose you unsubscribe your channel? Just explain your comment box in your particular option. Nothing will happen. They know some idea about that. So they will rectify next time without the failure of the content. So this is a parameters you compulsory follow to increase your subscribers and video view purpose. Proper tag with the short name. Compulsory we can mention by recording date. Every video when coming to my channel, compulsory you mention by recording date. The recording date is more important for the your particular YouTubers. That all will be held by the when your recording date will be done on the every particular video option. So when uploading time, the company will be showing for two options. When coming to more option, this is a recording date option. And enable disable for comment and rating box. When you coming to YouTube channel, some channels showing for 97%. How we decide for 99%, 97%? Based on the likes and the dislike rating. Suppose you like the video, you can click for like option. You dislike the video, you can click for dislike option. These all mean by the your particular option will be here. Where in the YouTube channels. And comment. Some people not interested to showing the comment enable option. Why? They're doing for wrong comments or vulgar comments. They don't like for that comments. That is option will be given by the we can hide the review the comment. Don't disable the comment box. They explain something about there are some questions they give by the comment box option. Only education website who will be make the video don't disable the comment box option. Next, video category. So your video belongs to which category? Some educational, etc. Add playlist. Playlist is more powerful by your YouTube channel videos. Each video we can promoting number of keywords, a number of your options in the title that all will be coming to the playlist option. End screen is more important for each and every video. Increase the subscribers. So when your video upload is done, we can add by end screen. End screen purpose, people watching your video for end of the option. People watching the video, end of the option. They show for subscribe button. People will be like your video. Compulsory they click for subscribe button. This is a subscribe button. So in this screen, compulsory you can add by the subscribe button. Only you can add the channel subscribe button. Where you can add by the, here is the end screen option. Next one, cards. Cards will be, we have show for related videos, other channel videos. You can subscribe for other channel, YouTuber channel also. That mean by to increase for other YouTube channel views and other YouTube channel subscriber also and promote your video also. This compulsory important parameters. So people asking one question, when I'm making video time, is asking here, they're showing something will be here. Every 60 minutes, how many people are watching, 48 hours, 7 days, 7 days. These all under comes to, we have to install by the vidIQ toolbar. Which toolbar? vidIQ toolbar. This toolbar we can install by the Chrome extension. This will be give the keyword suggestion, is a paid and free will be there. Right now I'm using for free option. I know the keyword, I'm optimized by the keywords. Just sign up with Google and we can using for every YouTubers. How many people are most YouTubers will lending for subscriber views by using for vidIQ toolbar. This compulsory we can use. Some people using for TubeMate also. So I'm using for vidIQ. Some people using for TubeMate. This also will be in the particular showing for the keyword purpose. And subtitle and CC, this is more important. Suppose you're making a video will be Telugu. Some people looking for in the subtitle, English subtitle, you can add by the subtitle and the CC option. Enable content ID. This more and important. Content ID means if anybody copy your video as is, within a fraction of second, the people get the strike will be two patterns. Copyright strike will be and file dispute strike. Copyright strike will be immediately video will removed from your channel. File dispute, nothing but people upload your video. View will be counted by the particular channel. Earning will be added by your particular, which video will be copyrighted by primary owner. They earning money from primary owners. And thumbnail is a more and more important. 280 by 720. Title is more visible to the user's eye contact. The compulsory we can use 1280 by 720 pixel. Next, any video publishing will be premiere option will be mandatory. Premiere nothing but to publish the video YouTube live streaming. We don't use any kind of third-party tools not required. YouTube publish any video will be premiere with schedule with the premiere option will be there. That is when using publish option. If I'm using here, select private unlist, public with the premiere, set as instant premiere, schedule with the premiere. Each schedule time will be in hour, we can schedule by the 5 times, 12, 12:15, 12:30, 12:45, 1 o'clock. These are the schedule we can give by particular post purpose. So premiere is nothing but without using live button, we can increase the YouTube live streaming purpose. Second thing is called powerful information about the increase the get more YouTube subscriber. That is the first option. We'll discuss about the uploading time. What are the parameters we have to follow this. Next, use power playlist. Use the related keyword about your video on using power playlist. Second will be publish long video, 10 minutes plus. Why it is called 10 minutes plus video? So that is called we're increasing for more readable by users. By use option will be given by the earnings also more. Any uploading for more than 10 minutes video, suppose I'm showing for 10 minutes video, 8 option, earning also will be more increase. Earnings also will be more increase. That is called, we have to creating for manage mid-roll ads. This all ad will be showing to the customers for the mid-roll ads. When it's possible, when uploading for 10 minutes video, people watching, the main option is called the hours, watch hours are more increasing for based on the 10 minutes plus videos. Promote video in the end screen option. I'm already discussed. What are the videos and subscribe button we can promoting through end screen option. Branding watermark. When play the video, the show option will be given. Subscribe our channel here. I'm open for the incognito window. And this is a very, very important video. This will nothing but in this for making a video will be in the channel welcome video. This is a complete important for the in the particular option here done. When play this video here in this, they're showing for one watermark option to subscribe your channel option here. This is called branding watermark. For the purpose, they're playing for entire video to subscribe our channel purpose. To subscribe our channel purpose. Focus on quality and not quality. So you more focus by the quality score, particular video quality score. How to know that the quality score? Based on the vidIQ toolbar that will be installed, sign up and use by here. How to use? Install the toolbar, log in with your particular email and password. How to log in? Which email you are logging here, that email will be used. We can use only for sign up application will be here, email and password. So easily you can log in for vidIQ toolbar. To explain by the every option will be here, the particular option. This is a compulsory important for the to check the quality and not quality. Reply to every comment. When you comment by reply everyone, so people definitely subscribe your channel. So you not reply by any comment box. The people think as in they don't give any proper information. So they don't give the long for the relation for your subscriber channel. Write a compelling for channel description. Write a for the what are the video you can writing for everything will be important. And subscription magnets. Use an awesome channel icon. Create a channel tagline. These are the complete channel tags. Heart awesome comments. You're writing for somebody, the comment will be there. You can give the heart comments. How to know that every comment is important? Some people asking one question, so everything will be depend on your particular here. So in this one, we have to follow instructions and you can give the particular hot box. Create a channel tagline is awesome. Here, make a killer channel trailer. I'll discuss is your complete trailer will be there. Is a complete for welcome video. Next, create a video that catch watch times. Embed videos in your blog post. This video we can sharing for the blog post option. When coming to this video, so when play this video option, we have to share by the particular these options, blog or anything. These are all nothing but increase your video channel backlinks. Lot of channels are backlinks are there. We can use to getting for backlink option. End the video with the strong CTA and promote your channel in the ebook, webinar and presentation and lead magnets. Optimize your channel page like social media. We have to increase by every option will be there. That all belongs to for to increase the subscribers. Main thing is called your quality of the video is more important for the users. So we can upload the quality video and increase the subscribers. Any content is good. Definitely getting for more subscribers. The compulsory we have to maintain further in this. Suppose any people, if you not like the video, reason you can tell me comment box. So they will improve the particular video format. I got a lot of mistakes in the my channel also. Some people comment me on the, my particular YouTubers. So that also will be implement and you can make the good videos on the particular YouTube channels. YouTube channel subscribers depend on your quality of the videos and upload of the your complete screen. The based on people will be subscribed. Don't compare other channels. We compare with your education or which video you're making for YouTube channels. Upload it, increase your YouTube channel subscribers. That only depend on your content of the quality to increase the subscribers. Maintain this every YouTubers, increase your YouTube channel subscribers, views and earnings option. If any further doubts, how to making your channel, everything I can ask me, definitely will be support particular YouTube comment box. Thank you guys. Please like and share my videos and subscribe. For the any request, please ask me. And this complete information I'm writing for here for my particular website Architect Solutions in the blogs option. Follow the blogs. We're writing a lot of blogs will be in the theory and video. We can follow instruction will be in the particular website. Thank you guys.